Hi, this is Greg with 31 Events and Calendarsnack.com. Today, I believe, is May 7th, indicated by my calendar. I'm in the desktop application here on my iPhone called Google Calendar, which is a downloadable asset in the App Store. If you're not running Google Calendar as a separate client, I encourage you to. It's a cool piece of technology, and it works very well. So here we are. Kickstarter Launch Party is the title. You can see that here in my screen. I have set this for May 18th from 5 to 6 p.m. You see that there. And as I scroll down, I'm not messing anything with a room. I am going to add a location, which is basically Zoom online. I'll put that on there so everybody knows it's an online web event. And you can see I copy-pasted my Greg Hanshin information out of my Zoom client into here, commonly referred to as the description area. And I'm not adding any attachment, although we do support attachments. And I'm going to go ahead and fire up a create command, which is essentially all I did was type in create@calendarsnack.com. That's going to order up a calendar snack to my email box to the organizer. In this case here, I hope the organizer is Greg at TechVader. I think I might be right. No, it's Greg at Quinix.io. Doesn't matter. I'll go to that email box and we'll take a peek. And that said, simple as that. The order's been sent to Amazon Web Services, which are web service sits. And here in my Quinix email, I'm going to find a, guess what? Calendar snack. There it is right there. And in this calendar snack, what we've done is scrape the information off our calendar, in this case here, the Google Calendar, on a per event basis. If I click that, I'm going to head into a fresh calendar snack, as we call it. And there's nothing in it. But what you will see is the replicant data here now ready to be put into a web embed, which are here, web forms. We pre-build you a landing page, which is right here. You can take a peek at it right here. That's a pre-built landing page. If you want to send it out to somebody, you can. That in itself, I think, is really cool. But let's get back here to the demo. We have MailChimp native integration here with the codes here. It's a separate video you can check out on YouTube. But essentially, we send you the codes to do a call to action embed. So in a MailChimp campaign, when somebody clicks the call to action, they receive the calendar invite, and we track it here on the back end, the calendar receipt. This here is a single invite send engine, which allows you to basically put the name and email address and hit that button there, send invite right here. And that would allow you to send one-off calendar invitations if you want and track those here in a reporting engine. The reporting engine has rich granular information from MailChimp, call to action embeds from another email provider, not listed, but one you make up, essentially, using our codes. There's web forms, landing pages. We track shared. We track the direct single out of our forms, the direct bulk sends, which you can bulk upload, a named warm list of email addresses into our bulk loader, and that will send out a calendar invitation to that said list you're working with. And then for the test engine, you see that we track the test. And other basically fall into this ambiguous category that we're starting to track, which is all other. So that said, back to the original. You see it right there. And I'm going to do a quick send a test, which actually you can send a review and send a test right here. So I'm in the CalSnack summary. You see it land there. You can review and edit this if you want. I'm not. I'm going to send myself a test. So I click this button here. It's going to send a test out. And I can go to my Quinix email address with Outlook if I want to change things up. And there it is right there. I just received an invitation to test this event, which I'm going to do now. We can go into it. You can see this is all the Zoom information that I scraped off my other calendar, and it's right here. I'm going to say I'm going to attend this event. I'm going to accept it, and it goes away, and it's now on my calendar, which you can go here. I don't think we want to do that. It's a pretty ugly looking calendar, but when you go way out on the calendar a little bit, it gets a little cleaner. And there it is right here. So that's the RSVP request from the organizer right there. And when I go back here to my email and I go to my snack here in Chrome, you'll see under the report engine that I accepted this event. How do I know that? Well, we get in the summary report. You see it right there. The test engine, I sent one off that web form. RSVP said yes. And the invitee details are here. And you can see it was ghanshin at quinix.io. Obviously, for privacy reasons, we masked that. That's the end of my quick demo here. We encourage you to go out and get a Calendarsnack. It's loaded up with all kinds of really cool things and surprises. And it's May 7th, 2019. Thanks for stopping by.